All right, so this is the first kind of data type that we have. It is an integer. All right?
Integer means number.
Number, yeah. The other type of data type, or type of data, is a little more complicated. Not really. It's it's just text. All right, but we call that strings. Let's say text/strings. So you'll hear the word like string in coding.
Okay.
But it just means text. So the thing about text is that you can't just write it. Like if you write hello world and then press shift return, this red stuff here is, and it says it, right? It's showing you that this is an error.
Right.
So if you want to actually write this out, what you have to do is wrap this in quotation marks. So if I want to fix it now, right? Now I want to like store, I don't know. Now I want to tell Python that I'm writing a string.
Mm-hmm.
What should I press?
Shift return.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right. Okay, that's all we need to know about data types, right? There's two different kinds of data types. Well, there's more, but for now, all we really have to worry about is numbers, right? 10 plus 12. And notice there's no quotation marks. We're good here. With text, right, it makes sense because like if we want to store, if we say like hello world, we need to basically tell Python when this text actually ends, right? Like, do I want to include this or not?
Right.
So to do that, I tell it when it ends with the quotation marks.
Right. Just like you write and somebody says something.
And they stop.
Yeah. So you have to do it in quotes. Got it.
That's right. Exactly right. Cool. So that's it for data types. The next thing we're going to talk about is variables, and then we're going to move on to actually working with a really important type of collection called lists, which we'll see they're everywhere.
So we just learned data type, and now we're going to learn variables.
That's right.